Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get the full context menu in Windows 11 like the one we had in Windows 10. So in Windows 11, when you right-click on a folder or file, you get a short menu without too many options. There is the option to click on Show More options, which brings you back to the old menu. Each time you have to click on this, making it not very user-friendly to deal with. There are a few ways to get the old menu back without having to click on Show More options. We can do this by adjusting the settings in the Registry editor, or we can use a third-party application. We start with the editor method. Click on the Windows search icon and type in Registry editor. Click on it. Here you need to navigate to the following location: HKey current user, software, classes, CLSID. Next, we need to create a new registry key in CLSID. I'll copy the name first. To create a key, select CLSID followed by right-clicking on it. Select New, Key, and give it the following name. You can copy the name from the description. In this newly created key, we need to create another key. Right-click on it, select New, Key, and name it InProcServer32. Here you need to click on the default key in the right window pane. The value needs to be set to blank. Click on OK to confirm, and value not set should disappear. In the last step, you need to reboot your PC or restart the Windows Explorer process. To do this, right-click on the Windows 11 icon and select Task Manager. Scroll down until you reach Windows Explorer. Select it, followed by clicking on Restart. After doing this, you should have the old context menu from Windows 10. If you want to change it back to the menu of Windows 11, you have to delete the InProcServer32 key in the Registry editor. Depending on your version of Windows 11, it might be that this method doesn't work. If so, continue on to the second method, where we change a context menu using an application. The second method hopefully works for all versions of Windows 11. In this one, we are going to download Winaero Tweaker, which is a software program that specializes in fine-tuning Windows settings and features. You can get the Winaero Tweaker download link from the description. Once the download is complete, you should have a small zip file. Open it, and then double-click on setup.exe. This opens the Winaero installation wizard. Click on Next. You can choose to install the app in normal mode or portable mode. Both options are fine. Click on Next to continue. After that, you need to accept the license agreement. Click on Extract Files to complete the installation. We are almost done. Open Winaero. On the left side, you can see the different type of tweaks that are available. We need the one beneath Windows 11. Select it, and after that, you can check the box next to Enable Classic Full Context Menus. Once you check it, you have the option to restart File Explorer. Click on Restart Explorer. Hopefully you have the classic context menu back. Make sure to check other options in Winaero as well, as they have a lot of useful tweaks to explore. This concludes our tutorial on how to get a full context menu in Windows 11. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.